Let's see if I can get a little better video of pin 2. Maybe get my finger out of it. Already off to a bad start. So here's the cockbird in pin 2. He's got too much black in the hackle. I love him. I absolutely love this bird though. Ginormous spurs. I just noticed I need to take care of. I'll have to do that this weekend. Don't love that stance. That's okay. He's got 2 tufts, somewhat sparse. There's a nice little golden duckling hen in the front and her daughter in the back. And so what we have here actually is grandmother, mother, and daughter. I think I got that right. Yeah. This is probably my favorite bird of all time. I absolutely adore her. She's just a sweet old girl. Her shape, oh, it's just to die for. Love it, love it, love it. She's definitely more brown toned than the other 2, but she's got nice color. I mean, she really has nice color. She's clean-faced, and the judges would tell me that she has too much black in the hackle. I have a real hard time being able to tell on the hens the black in the hackle, but I just think her color is actually pretty good. She's got shafting in her feathers, and I don't know if you can see that from here, but what that is each feather has a white line down it, and that's not good. And then if you look, she looks like she's got a little bit of I'm not going to get the correct term, but if you look at her rump feathers, there's some extra color going on there too. But overall, a nice bird. She's getting upset because all her friends went on back into the house. So I'll let her go.